Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we will see MCS 202 question number 4 D part, which is the list of the characteristics of the following, and there are 5 parts we have given given here, which is first is parallelism in Uni-Processor Systems. Second is vector processing and array processor. Third is the multiprocessors, and the fourth is the multi-core processors. Fifth is cache coherence. Okay, so if you want all of the assignment, which is MCS 202, if you want solution of this assignment, or if you want solutions of any other assignment also which you are pursuing right now, so you can contact us for any paid assignments for your assignment subject, and we will contact you after we receiving a message. So simply drop a message on this number which is showing right here on your screen, and we will contact you after receiving a message. So thank you guys for watching this video. Have a nice day.